Very fashion style, and it looks like can go fast, very fast.
It's very good. I think I have a good feeling. It's quite lightweight if I compare with other electrical bicycles that are now in Italy. I think it's pretty much better. It's a good product.
It just combines the bike as the bike is together with a moped or a vehicle like that, you know, a two wheels vehicle like that. But it's very, very easy to use. That's very fantastic, very innovative.
Insgesamt ein sehr sattes Fahrgefühl, muss ich sagen. Es ist immer gut zu wissen, dass man noch einen ganzen Schub Unterstützung dazu bekommt, wenn man es benötigt. Leichtes Shopper-Gefühl ist eigentlich so Easy Rider-mäßig, das finde ich schon ganz cool. Also optisch macht es schon was her und doch, insgesamt macht es schon Spaß. Ja.
You can feel the wind blow your hair. It's very happy time when you ride it. Yeah.